The Redmi Note 13 Pro series is all set to launch in the Chinese market this month, and in this video let us talk about everything that we know so far. Today, Redmi also gave us our first look at the design of the Note 13 Pro and the Note 13 Pro Plus. The launch is happening on September 21st, meaning in just a week. Starting off with the design, the Redmi Note 13 Pro has a glass back and a flat frame. There is a square camera module with a triple camera setup and the LED flash. We can also see that the camera module says 200 megapixels, so the phone is getting a 200 megapixel sensor for the primary camera. In comparison, the Redmi Note 12 Pro had a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor with OIS. On the front, the Redmi Note 13 Pro has a flat screen and the bezels are quite slim. Finally, it is quite likely that the phone has an under-display fingerprint scanner instead of a side-mounted one as on the Note 12 Pro. Coming to the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, this is definitely one of the best looking Redmi phones ever. As we can see, this is the first Redmi Note series device to feature a curved screen. And not just that, it also has very slim bezels. Redmi says that the bottom bezel is just 2.37mm, which is slimmer than even some of the high-end flagships in the market. And if that wasn't enough, the phone also gets the Corning Gorilla Glass weak test protection, which we normally see on expensive high-end phones. On the back, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus has a triple camera setup, but there is no camera module like the Note 13 Pro. Instead, each camera is placed separately. The official images show a color option with 4 different colors on the back and a premium vegan leather finish. The phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so the only port that you get is the Type-C port. There are stereo speakers and an IR blaster on the top. And well, that is all about the design of the Redmi Note 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Plus. As for the specifications, Redmi has officially revealed that the Note 13 Pro Plus has the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra SoC based on the TSMC's 4nm process and a 200 megapixel Samsung HP3 sensor with OIS. Other leaks and rumors have revealed a 6.67-inch 1.5K OLED display, 120W fast charging support and up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. So, what do you think of the design? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.